In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GoDaddy hosting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confidently pick the right hosting for your website. Start on your GoDaddy account dashboard. In the top right corner of the page, look for the profile icon. Give that a click to open the main account menu and a product area. This is a simple way to move from your account view into the shopping experience without hunting through multiple pages. From the menu that appears, choose the Shop GoDaddy.com option. That takes you to the primary storefront where all the products live. Think of this as the hub for domains, email, security, and, of course, hosting. Everything you might need to get a site online. Once you're on the storefront, head to the top navigation and click Hosting. This opens the hosting category and narrows the page to plans designed to power your website. If you're unsure what you need yet, that's okay. This path lets you compare options at a glance. Next, select Web Hosting. This is GoDaddy's standard shared hosting, a great fit for most general websites such as portfolios, small business pages, and brochure sites. It's budget-friendly and straightforward, and it can scale as you grow. If you're running a typical site built with HTML, PHP, or a basic content management system, this is often the sweet spot. Now it's time to choose a plan. On the web hosting page, review the available tiers and compare what matters to you. Look for the number of websites you can host, the storage included, performance and resource levels, and whether an SSL certificate is provided. Many people also check for automated backups and the ease of restoring a site if something goes wrong. If you expect traffic spikes, consider a plan with more resources so your site stays fast under load. Pay close attention to pricing details. Introductory rates are often discounted for the first term, and renewal pricing can be higher, so it helps to check both before you decide. Also note the billing term options, monthly, yearly, or multi-year, since longer terms can reduce the average monthly cost. If you already own a domain, verify whether the plan includes a domain credit. If not, you can still connect your existing domain later. Once you've compared and found the plan that fits your needs and budget, select it. You're now set to proceed with purchase and move on to setup, where you'll connect your domain and publish your site.